Hello, welcome to my new YouTube video. It's been a very long time since I've done a YouTube video. And honestly, it's been on my mind for quite some time now. I didn't really know what to do for a YouTube video, and I'm not very creative when it comes to thinking for video ideas, so I figured I would just do a closet clean out. Oh, what's funner than that? I thought I could just maybe go through my winter clothes that I'm gonna start putting out and take out what I don't want and maybe try to style what I'm gonna keep to see if I'm actually gonna keep it, because let's be honest, if I can't style it with anything, I'm not gonna wear it, so what's the point of keeping it? This is my fit today. Blue. I'm not wearing any shoes though. Now you can really see me. I feel like I'm so far away. I can't see the screen. I can't see myself in the screen unless I wear my glasses, but I don't want to wear my glasses and I look stupid. Oh, I look so stupid. I'm just gonna try on some of my winter clothes and see what we got going on here and see what I'm gonna keep, see what I'm gonna get rid of. I am not a stylist whatsoever. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just gonna, go through my clothes and see what I'm gonna keep and see if this turns out to be a cool video or not. So I go based on seasons. Like, I'll have my summer clothes out in my closet while it's summer, and then I'll have my winter clothes put away when it's winter, and vice versa for each season, because your girl got too much clothes for it all to fit. First pair of pants. Ooh. These might be a keeper, because you know, Puff is in these days. This thing doesn't even close anymore. And I have other winter clothes that I haven't put away in here because it doesn't even fit. We're gonna try to make room in here. I mean, even though I'm gonna take it out, which is kind of, why am I making room? Well, whatever. We're just gonna go through it anyways because I'm not gonna keep all this clothes. It's ridiculous. Let's see if we can style the first thing I have, which are these puffer pants, which unfortunately are skinny jeans. You know, I know we're not a fan of that these days, but hey, I'm not getting rid of these fucking pants. These pants are amazing. How the fuck did I fit in these in the first place? Oh, this is very stretchy. Ooh. Nice. Oh my god. I must have gained some fucking weight since winter last year, because this is really tight. Okay, this is the fit so far. I don't know how the hell I fit into them last winter, but to make my butt look nice. This is the top that I paired it with. It's this really tight top. This is a really tight outfit. If I want to look snatched somewhere that I'm going, this is the outfit that I want to wear. I figured puffer jacket could go with puffer pants. The only thing is that they're two kind of different blacks. So I don't know if I really dig that. So this is with the boots. I'm only going to put on one boot because I don't want to put on both. It's not terrible. You know, I really dig it. I think I would need to find a puffer that matches these pants exactly if I'm gonna do the puff on puff. Oh my god, these pants are so cute. They're just so fucking tight. I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna keep it. This one is a keeper. Let's do next outfit. Okay, so next thing we have is this dress. This dress is cute. It fits well, but it's like one of those dresses that rises up as you walk, and to be honest, I don't feel like dealing with that. I don't. 2022, we're new people, and my new resolution is fuck the dresses that rise up when you're walking, because they're a bitch. Probably would have looked really cute with the coat too. I don't know what kind of color coat. Maybe. Oh, this is so nice. That's cute. Ooh. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, I'm not keeping this dress, but I'm just gonna make an outfit just for the fun of it. And just to tie it all together, bam. Red bag, baby. Oh, what a cute outfit that I'm unfortunately not gonna keep, but it was fun. I'm noticing that I have a lot of skinny jeans put away. I don't think I anticipated the skinny jean band in fashion 2021. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pass up on these skinnies. Sorry, skinnies. You're not invited here anymore. Another pair of skinnies. But these are Paxson. Paxson be having some cute skinny jeans. Oh, these are cute. Okay, if I'm gonna keep a pair, it's gonna be these. Yeah, I don't like them. We're gonna get rid of them. I got some Gap high-waisted skinny jeans. I do remember though these fitting really tight when I put them away. So I feel like they're gonna fit even tighter now that I've put on some weight. I already feel it. I already feel it. Well, these don't fit. These don't even buckle. Like, I have to like super squeeze myself. They're really cute though. I'm sure the next person who gets them will have an amazing time with them. And they're probably a smaller person, maybe a child too, because these are like child size. I mean, this makes it easier to get rid of stuff at least. Stuff just doesn't fit me. Alright, let's see what else we got here. We got a Depeche Mode t-shirt. You know, the only reason why I kept this is because my dad gave it to me. I've never worn this t-shirt. But you know what? We might change that because I do have some ideas to wear t-shirts with other things. So I'm gonna give these a go. Okay. I know what you're thinking right now. This is no fucking winter attire here. The reason why I'm putting this dress on right now is because I follow this person called Barbie Guts on Instagram. I'll put them right here. I get a lot of styling tips from that person. He has a lot of cute outfits that he posts, and honestly there's this one outfit that he posted not too long ago of him wearing a t-shirt with what at first I thought was a skirt. It wasn't a skirt, honey. It was not a skirt. No, I was fooled. It was a fucking prom dress, and my mind lit up like fireworks when I saw that picture because I have so many fucking prom dresses and just formal dresses that I just have sitting around because I have nowhere to fucking wear them. But when I saw how he styled that dress with the t-shirt, I felt like I could do anything. It might be a flop, and that's okay. It might not work. It might just might not be the right t-shirt or it might not be the right dress. But shoot, we gonna try it. Yeah, I really dig this outfit. I like this combo. I like this t-shirt and this fucking dress. It's actually dope. So in his outfit, he does a t-shirt, the dress, and then some Converse, which I have on this side. He did a good call on this Converse because this is cute as fuck. I like the Converse better. I tried to do it with the Comet boots too, which isn't terrible really, but I definitely prefer the Converse. I feel like the Converse just make it what it's supposed to be. My hair down with a cute bag. I don't know if I have a bag that goes with this. Oof. I know this isn't everyone's style, but I fucking dig this so much. We stand, we stand, we stand, we stand. I'm just gonna stop now before I faint. By the way, this bag is from my shop, Nostalgic Paradise. Shout out to Barbie Guts for this outfit inspo. You came through with this. Okay, so let's go on to the next outfit. This black flannel jacket thing. I wonder what I could do with. I could do a lot with this. This has to stay. This is like a staple piece. Let's see. What can I put together right now with it? Okay, so I have this outfit that I had thrifted a little while ago and had to tailor to make smaller to fit me. I've been waiting to wear this fucking outfit. We're gonna see if it goes well with this oversized flannel. I don't really like it with this. Let me see with the boots. I'll give it a chance. No, nope, just not doing it. Just not doing it. But I do have another idea with this flannel. Oh my god. Yep. I like the look of this. So I have some like flare pants that are really tight at the top area but really loose at the bottom, so I figured it'd go good with the oversizedness of the jacket, and then it, you know, has the tightness in the middle and then the oversize in the bottom. And it does, it looks really good. I actually like this. I tried to do it with this chunky white shoes. I don't know, I think for me it just looks weird because it doesn't go. But Let's try the black boots. Okay, how does that look? Ooh, the boots. The boots! The boots look better. The boots go more. Boots, the boots, the boots. You know, I have yet to try on jeans. That's kind of crazy. I don't think I plan on wear jeans this year. No, this isn't cute either. You know what? One more thing I'm gonna try with it, and then I'm gonna give up on it. No, it's not working either. It's just a no for the shirt. Oh well, we tried. I have this knit. This knit is very cropped. I could definitely play around with this one. I'm gonna keep this one because I like the color. I need color in my closet, and this will be that color that I need. Another black long sleeve. Basic, girls. Remember, sometimes it's good to be basic. A black t-shirt. Never go wrong with that. Alright, this one. This will be my last outfit that I try to style. Alright, let me think. Let me do the math in my head. What would look good with this? Okay, I don't know where I left off because my battery died, but this fit, this fit is it. I brought out the big hoops, you know, to just add a little pizzazz to it. I got the pants, and then I got these just little strappy small heels. Oh my god, this fit I would actually wear out right now if I could. I'm so proud of myself. I never thought I'd be able to do this, but I did. If I wanted to add a jacket, I could go very extra. I feel like a 90s queen right now. So yeah, this is this fit. I'm actually really impressed with myself with how I did. When my friend lived here before she moved to New York, I would always go to her for styling advice. She's kind of the reason why I've picked up on all this. And I also watch a lot of fashion videos these days, so I'm getting my shit down. Oh, that ponytail flew off. Whoops, the hair just wanted to be free, I guess. Alright guys, I'm gonna end on this note, on this very high note. But I got rid of a lot of clothes, and I have very surprisingly a small pile of stuff I'm keeping. So that's cool because you know what that means. That means I get to go shopping. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, I'm not no fucking expert. I'm just dressing myself for what I like, for what makes me feel like a bad bitch. If there's something out there that makes you feel like a bad bitch, you wear that shit. Who cares what anybody thinks? But yeah, until the next video, thank you guys so much for watching.